today's video, I'll teach you how to create Hudl fan account. Hudl fan account will allow you to follow your favorite teams and athletes, watch the highlights and stay updated on game schedules and results. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice. Click on the search bar, type in hudl.com, press enter. Now after you do that, you'll be led to the official website of Hudl. From here, you'll be able to create the account for yourself. At top right corner of your screen, you'll be able to find the option for login. What you have to do is click on it. Now you'll be able to find various options over here. Click on the option Hudl. Now after you do that, you'll be led to the login interface of Hudl. From here, you'll be able to log into your account. But in order to create the account, what you have to do is click on this option, create account, that you can see on the screen. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. From here, you'll be able to create the account for yourself. What you have to do is fill in these details that you can see right over here on your screen. You can enter your first name, last name and email, or you can also continue with Google, Facebook or Apple. Click on the method that is most suitable for you. Here I'm going to fill in the details. So what you have to do is enter the first name. Now enter the last name. Now provide the email address over here. Click on the field of email and enter your email. Now once you do that, click on this option continue that you can see on the screen. Now you'll have to create a password for yourself. Simply create a very strong password. Your password must contain at least 8 characters, at least 3 of the following: lowercase letters, uppercase letters, numbers, special characters. Create the password accordingly. Make sure the password meets all the criteria. After you do that, you'll be able to find the continue option over here. Click on it. Now you can see over here your Hudl account has been created. Now you'll be able to follow your favorite teams and athletes. You'll be able to watch the highlights, etc. Thanks for watching.